Hey, what's up, guys? It's DIY Arch. Have you ever had to go to court and thought you were on the right side and wish you had it recorded, right? Yeah, well, I don't think that's happened to me yet, but I don't want to have to be that guy. So I went and grabbed me one of these vehicle black boxes. And this one actually records inside the cab and outside the cab, which is pretty cool. So out the front window and then inside the cab. So, you know, you're messing around, might want to do some videos inside your cab. You could do that. And it's pretty simple, actually. I thought it was a little bit more complex. It's just got your like a cigarette lighter plug-in. Goes right into the top there. And then this one, actually, I didn't need it, but I guess I might hook it up one day. But it has an optional rear view camera, which I ain't going to set that up right away. Maybe we'll do that later. But I figured we just go over the basic functions of this thing, which is a pretty cool little gig. And it's got night vision on it, so you can see at night, of course. And this is the brand. I honestly don't even know how to say that. But it's still pretty cool. We got the HD camera motion, 170 degree loop recording, G sensor recording. So it's a pretty slick little tool. It's got 32 gig little card on the side. And it came with one, so that was pretty slick. Put that in there. Got your power right here. Press that. It's going to turn it on. And then you got this function here, which pretty much just mutes your mic. And then you go to the next arrow, which is your right arrow. And that's going to change from your front view to your camera, back to your inside the cab and outside the cab. And then this is from just the front. And then this is the other one. So then you can switch over to this one, which is the M, and then you can switch from your video recording to your camera. And then here you can look at the pictures you've already taken. So this is just options on what you want to look at. So if you want to look at from the right arrow, you can look at the front camera, where my hand's kind of making that light go on and off. And then it also shows the front, which you can see make it move right there. There's my hand there. And then you could just have the front. And that one's actually just the rear. And then that one's just the front. And then there's both. And then you go to the next one here. And then that goes to your camera. You can see that little camera logo. And then you press OK and it'll take photos. So if you want to take a picture of someone driving down the road, they kind of cut you off or something, and it made sense later, then you would you could change the mode, just put it into mode, it'd go to that camera in the corner, press OK. And it's the same thing. And then you can even look at your pictures, press it again. Press it again, now you're back in the normal mode. And then if you, while you're here, you can just press record. So when you get in your car, there's more functions when you see the manual. But you can also just press that button right there, boom, right now, and it'll start recording. So if you get in your car, turn it on, and press OK, it'll just start recording onto your hard drive. And then it also has G sensor and all that kind of fun stuff, so it's pretty slick. And then also, so you got this one, your left, which turns your mic on and off. This one gives you your camera options. This one here is going to allow you to have your, show you take a picture or record your video and look at your pictures. Now, if you hold this, now you get to go into your menus. And then you can start scrolling through this, it goes down. You know, and keep going across, click that again, it'll open the next one. You can scroll down that one. And this will set up all your G sensors and what kind of recording is how you want to do that. So it's pretty easy, pretty slick. And then everything is just OK to record. The OK is like your record button. And then this little button here is going to turn your infrared on your inside cab. You hear it snapping going on and off. But it's a pretty slick little tool. I think it's pretty cool. I only paid like probably $40 for it. So it was pretty good. It was on Amazon. Maybe eventually we'll get links up in the pages here and we'll get that stuff for you. But it's a pretty cool little tool. So if you ever wanted to have one of these, you might need it one day. It might save you a lot of money, a lot of time in court and whatnot. And you can get one of these, just post it up in your car with a little sticky, plug it into your lighter, and press record. It didn't have a really big manual. It was pretty small, so it's something you could do. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, check out all the videos, and we will see you in the next one. We're out of here. Later.